how can you enable private message notifications on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just go down here, you click here in this sign down here, just click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go here above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Click on push notifications. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Just switch in here to open with you. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on in-app notifications. You come here to private message, click in this sign. Like you say, this color show for us, that's mean private message notifications enabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.